What's up guys, it's Pete, and this is the Epson ColorWorks C6000P inkjet color label printer. This printer is very special in the Epson ColorWorks line because it's the first printer to feature a fully integrated peel and present mechanism on the front of the printer. Now, I already have a video on how to load your labels into the printer, so if you need to watch that first, go ahead and click that link up above. If you don't need to watch it first, well, let's get started. Now there are a few benefits to printing labels this way. The first and foremost being that you can peel your labels and apply them as they come out of the printer. I've queued up a sample document of a few different labels, and we're going to see what it looks like when they come out of the printer in a sequence. At the top, the first label has arrived. The printer pauses when the labels reach the peel position and will remain paused until you remove the label, and then the second label will begin printing. Peeling off the second label will let the printer know that the third label is ready to go, and this process will continue until all of the labels in the sequence have been printed. Another benefit is that when you're printing labels sequentially from a software like the one from our partners at Bartender or Nice Label, you don't want to be searching through a roll of labels for the correct number in a sequence. When you're printing with a peel and present mechanism like this, you have the benefit of the label you need next being ready and available at the time that you need it. Now we here at IPSi don't just print labels because they look good, at least not all the time. Here we have a Bartender label document set up with a dynamic barcode and a number that will increment by 1 for each label printed. This is the perfect scenario for somebody in a manufacturing or shipping environment where a label needs to accompany a certain product and then be placed immediately. We're going to unpause the printer . And here we have the first number in our sequence. Now, this is nothing special because it's just what's on our screen, but we can apply that to product number 12345, and that barcode will accompany it all the way to the end. Now for product number 12346, we can see that our barcode's changed, and we're already ready to apply it to the next box without worrying about double checking the number. This process can go on for as many serial numbers as you could possibly have in your sequence. You may have noticed that we're gaining quite a bit of media liner in the front of the printer here. Well, the last benefit I want to discuss is that this printer kind of cleans up after itself. All you need to do is make sure you have a trash can handy, feed your liner into the top of the trash can, and never worry about cleaning up messy liner again. That's all there is to it, guys. I hope that this video has allowed you to consider the reasons why you might prefer a 6000P over a 6000A, or vice versa. Maybe you don't need these features. Either way, you can always go to our YouTube channel and check out the other videos on all of the Epson ColorWorks printers and decide what's right for you and your business. If you still aren't sure, you can go to www.ipsiscan.com and contact us today, and we'll help you out. If you need ink, labels, supplies, or even want to buy a printer, you can go to www.infinitylabelgroup.com and order yours today. This has been Pete. I'll see you next time.